Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Psychological Awareness family. Today, we are going to talk about depression. Depression is much more than simply feeling sad. Everyone feels sad, disappointed, or emotionally tired sometimes. But depression is a mental health condition in which a person experiences persistent low mood, loss of interest or pleasure, and other emotional, physical, and behavioral changes that affect daily life. So what are the common signs of depression? A person may feel sad, empty, hopeless, or emotionally numb for much of the day. They may lose interest in things they previously enjoyed. They may feel extremely tired or have very little energy. Sleep may change. Some people sleep too much, while others struggle to sleep. Appetite and weight can also change. A person may have difficulty concentrating, remembering things, or making decisions. They may feel worthless, guilty, or like they are a burden to others. Some people may also become socially withdrawn and stop talking to family or friends. Depression can affect the mind, emotions, body, studies, work, and everyday activities. A psychologist can assess a person's symptoms, history, functioning, and other possible causes before making a diagnosis. The good news is that depression is treatable. Treatment may include psychological therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy. In some cases, medication may also be recommended by a qualified medical professional. If someone is struggling, please don't judge them. Listen to them and encourage them to seek professional help. Thank you for being part of our Psychological Awareness family. If you find the video informative, share it here with others.